When you're looking to make French fries, you want to use a russet potato. Again, lower in starch. This potato is so versatile.
Very versatile, yes it is. Great for French fries, allowing you to get that that crispy exterior and that fluffy interior, and then again, great for, of course, the classic baked potato. Yes.
What we're going to do now is I'm going to use my mandolin, and not everybody has a mandolin, so you're going to show how you can actually cut it by hand, right?
Right.
I'm getting the better end of the whole deal of this, aren't I?
This is how I do everything at home. Actually, I do have one of these.
Inexpensive ones, and go from there. So we're going to get going.
Now, I always suggest that when you're working with something round, you cut yourself a flat spot, and then again, working with that flat spot, cut yourself your slices, and then you can come back and then you cut your French fries.
You actually don't have to wash your potatoes before you actually cut them here, because we're going to rinse them in cold water, take a little bit more of the starch off, and go from there. So, you know, in a couple of seconds, I have all these great potatoes making into fries here.
The process of blanching the potato is to cook the potato kind of inside without browning the outside. If you just take the raw potato, you put it into the oil, is what's going to happen. Your outside's going to cook too fast, and your inside's not going to have that fluffiness that you like in a good French fry.
So I'm going to run these under cold water, and then we're going to put them into the, blanch them off for a couple minutes. A little, as you can just start seeing, the water's a lot whiter, and you're going to get the last little bit of the starch off. Again, we're going to blanch it in some hot water, and then that way it's going to cook on the inside, so then you're going to get that nice fluffy French fry that we've been looking for. So we're going to just give it a quick shake. We have some boiling water. No, I did not put any salt in it. It's just plain boiling water. We're going to take it over, put it in, and we don't want them too soft, so it's just going to be for 1 minute, 60 seconds, and we're good to go. So, and when we're finished here, you can set them on your counter for 30 minutes, or you can put them in the refrigerator for up to 24 hours and then just bring them out, and then we're going to deep fry them, and they will taste absolutely amazing. So our fries, again, we blanched them off with some water. Now we're just going to slowly put them in. You don't want to go too fast with this because you don't want the oil to splatter. And our oil's nice and hot. It's about 350 degrees. And it's going to come up a little bit, so you just want to make sure that you, again, take it nice and slow. It's going to take probably about 5 to 7 minutes to cook in the fat. They're going to be those really nice crunchy fries that we're all looking for. For those of you who really like the well done fries, we can go a little bit longer yet. There, we're just going to season it with a little bit of salt and pepper. Grab our burger for Chef Steven, a little bit of fries. And your burger, sir.
Well, thank you very much.
Thanks for joining me at the cottage today with some amazing burger and fries.
Thank you.
Eat and enjoy.